Wake up, sleepyheads, whispered Mummy, her voice practically buzzing with excitement. Liam and Jane peeked out from under their cozy duvets. The morning sun was just beginning to paint their room in soft, golden stripes, promising a beautiful day outside their St. John's window. "What is it, Mummy?" yawned Liam, stretching like a sleepy kitten. Jane, always quick to catch on, sat bolt upright, her eyes wide with curiosity. "Is it a super-duper surprise?" Mummy and Daddy exchanged a secret, twinkling look. "It's the best kind of surprise, my little adventurers," Daddy boomed, his voice full of joyful anticipation. "Today, we're going on a magical family trip to Clean Town." Liam's eyebrows shot up. "Clean Town? Like, where everything is super neat and tidy?" he asked, a little confused. Jane, however, giggled, her bouncy pigtails bobbing. "Will there be sparkly soap bubbles?" "Exactly, Jane," said Mummy, pulling out an old, rolled-up map that shimmered faintly, almost as if it had been polished. "Clean Town isn't just tidy, it's where the sidewalks sparkle, the air smells like fresh rain, and even the dust bunnies glow." Liam imagined spotless streets and shiny buildings. Jane, on the other hand, was already dreaming of friendly scrubbing brushes that danced. "Are there giant, friendly vacuum cleaners?" Liam asked, hopefully. Daddy chuckled. "Even better, Liam. There are Sparkle Sprites and the famous Bubble Bloom Gardens." They packed their bags with everything they might need for a day of sparkling adventure: Liam's favorite worn-out teddy, Jane's tiny, sparkly tiara, and a picnic basket brimming with crunchy apple slices and cheese sandwiches, all neatly wrapped, of course. Their trusty blue station wagon seemed to hum with anticipation as they set off. The sky over St. John's was a brilliant blue, fluffy white clouds drifted by like giant, clean cotton balls, and Liam and Jane sang silly songs about scrubbing and shining all the way. Soon, the world outside their window began to change. The colors seemed brighter, the air smelled wonderfully fresh, and even the road they were on looked exceptionally smooth and spotless. A faint, shimmery glow started to appear, dancing in the air like tiny diamonds. "We're here," announced Mummy, pulling the car over beside a magnificent archway made of gleaming, polished stone. The words "Welcome to Clean Town" were carved above it, sparkling gently. As they stepped out, a gentle, fragrant breeze swirled around them, carrying the scent of lavender and fresh linen. "Ooh, it smells so good!" Jane exclaimed, twirling around. Suddenly, a flash of brilliant green zipped past Liam's nose. It wasn't a bug, it was a tiny, winged creature, no bigger than his thumb, leaving a trail of shimmering, emerald dust in the air. "A sparkle sprite," gasped Jane, pointing with delight. "Look!" The sparkle sprite hovered for a moment, its tiny body sparkling like a jewel, then led them down a winding, immaculately clean path. The deeper they walked into Clean Town, the more incredible it became. The sidewalks gleamed, reflecting the sunshine like mirrors. The lampposts were polished to perfection, and even the rubbish bins were painted in cheerful, bright colors. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.